This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Hyundai Ioniq 5 at a Tesla Supercharger. The Ioniq 5 typically uses a CCS charging port, while Tesla Superchargers use the NACS connector. To bridge this difference, you will need a special adapter. This allows your Ioniq 5 to access Tesla's extensive charging network, making long trips much more convenient for EV owners. When selecting an adapter, prioritize quality and safety. Look for a CCS to NACS adapter specifically designed for your Ioniq 5. It's crucial that the adapter can handle the high power output of a supercharger, which can be up to 250 kilowatts for V3 stations. Always verify that the adapter has proper safety certifications and positive user feedback to ensure a secure and efficient charging experience. Once you have your adapter, the charging process is straightforward. First, park your Ioniq 5 within reach of the supercharger cable. Next, firmly attach the CCS to NACS adapter to your car's charging port. Then, plug the Tesla Supercharger cable into the adapter. Finally, use the Tesla app on your smartphone to select the charging stall and begin your session. Some vehicles may also allow initiation from the car's screen. To ensure a smooth charging experience, always monitor your Ioniq 5 battery level and charging progress through the Tesla app. Be mindful of idle fees, which Tesla charges if your vehicle remains connected after charging is complete, especially at busy stations. These fees can double at 100% capacity. Remember to use the Tesla app for payment and always disconnect the supercharger cable and adapter carefully once your session is finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.